Hi everyone, my name is Kurt Dusek. In today's technical bootcamp, we're going to be going over the installation and architecture of GitLab. GitLab is infrastructure agnostic, and that means you can run it on any distribution of Linux, Windows, Raspberry Pi, private cloud, public cloud, on-prem. It's very flexible. Omnibus is the most common installation, and it's typically used for a single virtual machine or a horizontal installation scenario. And it's good for leveraging cloud-native services like Amazon, Elasticache, or S3. And this is the GitLab application architecture. I'm not going to get into all the details, but I just want to let you know if you'd like to review it, it's available on our website. There's several different components that do different things, and those come into play when defining a highly available distributed architecture. We also publish reference architectures going all the way up to 50,000 users. The information here was built and verified by our quality and support teams and provides details around node sizing and redundancy. GitLab.com is hosted on Google Cloud Platform, and we share the architecture that we use to host our instance. GitLab Performance Tool uses the K6 utility for load testing. After implementing a reference architecture, it's able to load test and compare against existing benchmarks. Now, let's get into Lab 1 and 2, which is the Omnibus and Kubernetes installations.